the mountains of Namosi, where strength wears a smile. This song is for the women, the roses of Mau.
It's your boy Rocks in the mix.
In the quiet mornings of inland land, before the sun warms village sand, women rise with gentle grace, strong hands shaping time and place. They carry life, they carry names, holding culture, holding flame. From garden green to riverside, they build this village day and night. They don't ask for praise or fame, but without them nothing's the same. Every home, every prayer has a woman's strength right there. Rosi Ni Navugayago, flowers of our sacred land. Beautiful women, strong and faithful. Mau stands tall because you stand. Rosi Ni Navugayago, flowers of our sacred land. Beautiful women, strong and faithful. Mau stands tall because you stand. Stand tall because you stand. Now listen, all the mataqalis and their robes. Navugayago women who lead, wisdom and truth in every deed, teaching respect, guiding you, keeping tradition alive and true. Nabaramai, caring hands, healing hearts, helping families stand. Nauluvatu, firm and strong, keeping unity where we belong. Dreke, Lewe, guarding the stream, protecting life, land and green. Solia, giving without pride. Lewe saw voices for us right. Every woman plays her part. Together strong, together true. Mau is beautiful because of you. Same as before, same as before, same as before, same as before, same as before. Rosi Ni Navugayago, flowers of our sacred land. Beautiful women, strong and faithful. Mau stands tall because you stand. Rosi Ni Navugayago, flowers of our sacred land. Beautiful women, strong and faithful. Mau stands tall because you stand. Mau stands tall because you stand. Same as before, same as before, same as before, same as before. When times were hard, they stayed strong. When days were dark, they carried on. In unity, they stood as one until the healing had begun. Same as before, same as before, same as before.